Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel Street Cows here, and today I'll be showing us how to use the trading view signals. And before I begin, I want to urge you to pardon or overlook every background noise you might be hearing. Just focus on my voice and what I'm showing you. Okay, so to use signals, first of all, you have to know whenever you see something like this, you have to know which side is to buy, which side is sell. So basically, the smaller side should be your stop loss because that's the amount you're willing to risk in a particular trade. Okay, so when you're having a signal like this, it means that one, this trade has already moved. It's not something you should want to take. So, but let's say we're looking at something like this. Yeah, this is what you're going to see typically. So we are having your stop loss above your entry and then your take profits. And trading view goes through the stress of outlining this for you by the price angle. Here you can see that the one with the red background is your stop loss, the ash is your entry, and then your take profit is always showing green depending on the color it was set to. Okay, so it's always showing green. Okay, so you don't chase a moving trade. You don't see, oh, it's already in profit, um you want to enter. Okay, you have to look at the charts, check if it is still at the entry, so you don't just go in and then lose a lot of money. So entry stop loss is above, it means you're selling. If stop loss is below your entry, it means you are buying. Okay, so when I see this, all you need to do is to go to your exchange and then impute the entry, impute your stop loss, and then impute your take profit. This could take any color. It must not necessarily be that the take profit is green, but it can be red. Actually, it can be red. Okay, so it may be something lighter, but you know that. And when the trade is in play, let's say you're in profit, you discover that you're having something like this, it's going to be green to show that you're in profit. When you're in loss, it's going to also change color. Okay, you're going to have a change in color. So let me show you. I think this was it, a buy signal. Okay, so what we have here is a buy. A buy signal is what we're having here. So this trying to tell you that, oh, you're buying this particular pair. And another thing you look at is at the top here, you're seeing the pair against USDT, or at the bottom, or some even at the price tag region, you see it. So you're having this, and your entry is showing you 0.128, which is what we have here as entry. You have your stop loss, you have your take profit. Okay, and let's say this is it. The moment the color changes, it's showing you that, oh, this is the part that is already in profit. Okay, that this from here to this place is in profit. That's what it means. All right, and if this was a buy, then you're counting your profits. And today on the group, I dropped two trades, ARB, which should be in profits, and also dropped a re-entry. Okay, so I dropped a re-entry here, assuming we are going to come back, a little retracement after this support here, a little retracement before going down. Okay, so this is how it works. The re-entry, you can even see by the side, is carrying an ash color, as well as an ash color, just like the first entry. Okay, and then we are still maintaining the same take profit. That doesn't mean, I don't know when you're going to see this video, so it doesn't mean you should just jump in. It should have passed by the time you're viewing this video. And also another trade on 1 inch, currently also in profit. Okay, even though I'm expecting a reversal here, but not reversal, maybe a retracement. So when you see something like this, doesn't mean you should buy. This sign is showing you that the market has bought all the way from here down to this place. So joining this trade is more like risking everything above your entry just for this small piece, which is not wise, right? So I believe now you understand. When you see something like this, you know where to buy and know if you're buying, know where to sell and know if you're selling, know where to your stop loss is, and your take profit. So if this video was helpful, click the like button. You can also make your comments or your suggestions down below, and I would reply as soon as possible. Okay, and feel free to also share this video, right? So till another video, see you guys later.